Hi, in front of me is Motorola Edge 20 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this Motorola. Firstly, you need to access tab menu. Now find location icon and click on it. If you can't find it over here, you need to click on this pen icon at the bottom left corner of your tab menu. Find location icon over here and drag it to the top. After that, go back, tap on it, and as you can see, location is now disabled. If you wish to enable it, just click at the same icon. You can also go into settings though, scroll down, choose location over here and manage it by clicking on the switcher next to use location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!